Breaking developments in the Middle East. Iran has launched retaliatory strikes toward the United Arab Emirates following the massive bombing of Kharg Island, one of Iran's most important oil export hubs. But Tehran says its message is clear. The target is not the UAE itself, but American military bases operating in the region. The escalation began when the United States carried out a major airstrike on Iran's Kharg Island. The escalation began when the United States carried out a major airstrike on Iran's Kharg Island. More than 90 military targets were reportedly hit during the operation, which lasted nearly 2 hours. Kharg Island sits in the Persian Gulf and handles a large portion of Iran's oil exports, making it one of the country's most strategic locations. Iran condemned the attack and warned that retaliation would follow if its energy infrastructure was threatened. Within hours of the bombing, Iran began launching waves of ballistic missiles and drones toward targets across the Gulf. Several projectiles were aimed toward areas in the United Arab Emirates, including locations hosting American forces. Air defense systems in the UAE intercepted many of the incoming threats, preventing major damage. However, debris from intercepted missiles and drones reportedly fell in parts of Abu Dhabi and Dubai, causing explosions and fires in some areas. The attacks highlight how quickly the conflict is spreading beyond Iran's borders. In an official statement, Iranian leadership insisted that the strikes were not intended to target the UAE as a nation. Instead, Tehran says its forces are targeting American military bases operating in the region. Several Gulf countries host U.S. military facilities, including air bases and naval operations supporting American forces. Iran warned that any country allowing its territory to be used for attacks against Iran could become a battlefield in this expanding conflict. The growing exchange of strikes has raised fears of a much wider war across the Persian Gulf. Countries including Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, and Oman have also reported missile or drone incidents as the conflict intensifies. The region is home to some of the world's most critical oil shipping routes, including the Strait of Hormuz. Any major disruption there could send global energy prices soaring. As tensions escalate across the Gulf, Iran is now sending a clear message to neighboring countries caught in the crossfire. Tehran insists that its strikes are not aimed at these nations themselves, but at foreign military forces operating within their borders. The big question now is whether these attacks will remain limited or escalate into a broader regional war. Military forces across the Gulf region are now on heightened alert as tensions continue to rise. Diplomatic channels are also being tested as world leaders call for restraint. As the situation develops, the world is watching closely. Any further escalation could draw more countries into the conflict and threaten stability across the entire region. For more updates on global conflicts and breaking news, don't forget to like and subscribe.